Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your phone is unlocked and supports the Simba SIM bands. This prevents provisioning failures. Once done, power off the device and use the ejector tool to open the tray. Do this gently to avoid damage. Make sure the gold contacts face down and the cut corner matches the tray. Insert the SIM until it clicks and then power the phone back on. This immediate placement readies the device to detect the network and begin registration automatically. You must actively trigger activation. Either follow the provider's on-screen prompts or dial the recommended activation code. This initiates your subscription. Next, go to Mobile Network Settings and configure the APN exactly as provided. Incorrect APN is the most common data issue. Once the APN is saved, make sure mobile data and roaming, if needed, are enabled. Then restart the phone and wait. Provisioning can take several minutes, so be patient while the network assigns services. You finish by verifying service. Check signal bars, place a test call, and load a web page to confirm data. If something fails, first toggle airplane mode or reboot. Simple reconnection often resolves registration glitches. Next, recheck APN spelling and ensure mobile data is permitted for the SIM profile. If problems persist, note your phone's IMEI and the SIM ICSID, then contact Simba support. Providing these identifiers speeds troubleshooting and helps them reset provisioning on their end.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.